This is a common entry. We're paying somebody in accounts payable. We owe JCN Electrical some amount of money. We have to find out what that is, so we just go over to the accounts payable subsidiary ledger and look for JCN Electrical, and we owe them $7,600. So I put this in. I know it's going to go into cash payments journal, but this is what we've been doing this whole semester. We've been making journal entries like this. This is a general journal entry, but most companies don't use the general journal all the time. They use special journals. It makes the process quicker and easier, and we'll see about that. If we made this journal entry, we would have to post this number twice. We'd have to post it to the control account, accounts payable control, and we would have to post it to the subsidiary ledger for JCN. This would have to be just posted one time to the cash account. Now, since we're using the special journals, we don't have to post to the control account, and we don't have to post to the cash account. We'll do that at the end of the month with a summary posting, but we do have to post to the subsidiary ledger. That's the only posting we make. So we want to make a debit to accounts payable and hit the JCN sub account, and we want to make a credit to cash for $7,600. And it's on June the 4th. So here's what we're going to do. June the 4th, we're going to look for our account, and we're looking for one of the accounts payable. One of these first ones up here are accounts receivable. Of course, they're under the accounts receivable control account, and they start with a 1. That's all the assets start with 1. 210 is accounts payable control, so all the payables are going to start with a 2. Wages payable, water payable, everything starts with a 2. But we're looking for JCN Electrical 210-5. Check number, we'll just go get that again, was 775. And the posting reference was 210-5. The accounts payable is going to be a debit. As you see up here, it's a debit to accounts payable of $7,600. And they don't have to tell you it's a debit. You know that because you've done this for several months now. We know we want to repeat this. We're going to make a credit of $7,600 to cash. So that's it. We don't post to the general account here, the general ledger account, the accounts payable control account. We won't post to the merchandise account, merchandise inventory, but we will post to the subsidiary ledger here or to the merchandise inventory card here. The rest, this one, we won't post at all. This one, we won't post at all. These other accounts we would have to post, like the day we do it, like the bank loan is not listed up here, so we'd have to put it over here. Anyway, let's show you what that looks like when we post this to the subsidiary ledger. A debit of $7,600 on June the 4th. So I'm going to go over here to JCN Electrical. And I'm going to go June the 4th. Paid in full. If we could make this a little better here. The reference number is going to be the cash receipts journal, and I can't put it in there. It won't let me do it. Dang it. The cash payments journal. It's going to reject that because I've got that set up a certain way. This is going to be a debit of $7,600, and since we have a credit balance and a $7,600 debit, our ending balance is 0, and we're not going to have anything there. We're not going to put a credit there at all. This posting reference would be the journal it came from. Don't forget that. But that's all we're doing. We are recreating this entry using this format. Debit to accounts payable, credit to cash, and then we're just posting to the subsidiary ledger. That debit to accounts payable, we're going to post it to the subsidiary ledger and update the balance.